Hello, this is a quick video where I'm going to demonstrate how to retrieve the total number of active orders. Here in MetaTrader I have two orders, and if I go to MetaEditor using this function OrdersTotal, I can retrieve the information of the active orders in the terminal, and I'd like to print this information. So if I go to MetaTrader, and here in the expert tabs, I'm expecting to see my print statement, which says total orders 2, which is the case obviously. Let me just remove one of them, just to confirm once again that this script works as expected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.